RESOLVE is a small nonprofit organization based in Washington, D.C. A major focus of what we do is technological innovations that can really advance how we better monitor and protect life on Earth. The purpose of TrailGuard is to stop poachers before they kill. You can think of it most simply as a burglar alarm system for national parks and reserves or wherever wildlife occurs. The first version of TrailGuard, which we deployed on the edge of the Serengeti ecosystem in Tanzania, in a wildlife reserve there, was our first attempt to see would a camera work in the field to detect poachers and how long would they last. Now typically we want batteries to last at least a year, even 2 years. By sending every image that the camera recorded, we rapidly exhausted the battery life in the camera. You don't want to have to go and change the batteries every 2 months, but in fact, that's what we had to do. We looked at a number of ways to try to add AI algorithms to our compact brain. So what CVEDIA does is it creates models from what we call synthetic data. If it's successful, then you've not only created an accurate model, you've done so in a very short period of time and much lower cost. And CVEDIA is in the front lines of creating models that are small enough, yet accurate and powerful enough to run on the chips themselves. For the endangered wildlife, CVEDIA has built detectors for some of the most charismatic endangered species, whether it's tigers in the lowlands of Nepal or India, or snow leopards in the Himalayas and Mongolia. TrailGuard AI runs CVEDIA's advanced models to detect humans, and what's brilliant about it is that it's agnostic to the angle from which the camera sits on the trail. So it can be 15 feet above the trail, pointing down, and is still able to accurately detect humans going by without them ever knowing it. That's brilliant. That's never been done before. So the experiment we just did in South Africa, typical rate of intruders, at a given trail choke point, maybe it's between 1 in 10 detections or 1 in 10 transgressions a month. If we do the math, 922 true positives and transmissions, that should be the equivalent of perhaps 7 years of use in the field. One of the most fun aspects of working with CVEDIA is that every Friday we have a tech call with their computer scientists, and it seems like each week, or certainly each month, we come up with a new idea of how we could use computer vision to solve problem A or B or C.